How to change phone number in Facebook account. Let's get started. Launch your Facebook app. Make sure you have already logged into your Facebook account. You will land to the home page. Now head towards the menu page. Scroll down. Over here you will find the option of settings and privacy. Click on that option. Now go to the option settings. Over here you will find this section of account center. Click on it. Now head towards the option of personal details. Over here you will find the option of contact info. Open it. From here you can easily change the phone number. Click on the phone number that you have set before. You will get the option of change phone number or delete number. Click on the option of change phone number and then type in new number for your Facebook account. With that you will get confirmation code in the number that you have just entered. And after verification process, the number will be added. So this is how you can easily change phone number in Facebook account. At the end, if you guys find this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Thank you.